What's up guys? Today we will unbox this Bluetooth speaker with wireless microphone. So, lalagay natin to sa shop para meron tayong video. Okay. Unbox natin guys. Maganda sana yung JBL pero sobrang mahal. So ito na lang yung binili natin dahil mas mura to. Then dalawang microphone pa. Ayan guys. Woo! Unbox natin. Open the box. Push. Check. Please fully charge the device before using it. Fully charge dapat. So ayan. Meron siyang manual. At saka mga cables. Then ito yung dalawang microphone. Tadadaan! Check natin yan mamaya. Then we have the speaker. So, sobrang dami ng sales nito. Tapos marami din ng good reviews. Kaya, napabili ako nito. Oh. Yan. Is DRD. So, paano to? Charge daw. Saan natin yung manual nito. So, sure. Press the man button. Button function. Yung mga effects yan. Paano mag-on? Yan. So, ilalagay yung mic dito. Ito yata yung charging ng mic. Tapos, yung on dito is on off. Means power on off. On off. Play mode. Nasa likod. Yan. So
Bluetooth mode.
On na siya. So we will try to connect the Bluetooth device dito sa ating cellphone. So anong pangalan yan? Ayan, is DRD. Yan, connect na is DRD. Done. Tapos, try natin yung video. Okay. So, meron siya nito. Lalagayan ng cellphone dito. Para mag-video okay ka. Kanta tayo ng Kian Karaoke. Connect natin yung Bluetooth niya. Dito tayo sa dyan. Pairing na yan. Pairing. Pair. Yan. Pair na. Ito lagay yung phone.
Get daily free shipping with Shopee. Choose from the electronics category and save more on your shipping fees. Get new free shipping vouchers daily. Download Shopee now. Shopee!
Low mic test. Low mic test. Low mic. off natin. So, that's all folks. Ayos. Galing guys. Ay, try natin sa music. Ito, try natin sa Spotify. If maganda yung tunog. So, very affordable yan guys.